Great white, guys. See the fin? We're on the dolphins. They're everywhere. Triple, quadruple. Oh, man. Sharking with seaweed. All right, it's 6 in the morning. We're making our way out of our marina. It's a summer day, flat as a lake. Gonna go look for some pilchards now. And wish us luck. We have a baby on board. So hopefully we get the baby its first dolphin. Wish me luck. Happy birthday, Juanito. My shark rod. Great white, guys. See the fin?
Right here.
Oh, he just got scared. Probably a mako. He saw our boat, he got scared.
It is.
Go. It's a dolphin. Oh no, it's a jack. It looked like a dolphin. Big blue runner. All right. Whoa.
I'm gonna reel it in.
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh, you're like holding the
Oh, sorry, babe. I thought he was done. Yeah, I got you. Big old blue runner. Hey, oh, this may attract dolphins. Hell yeah. Here, give me another pilchard. I'm gonna leave this guy in the rod holder. This will attract everything. So look, guys, my strategy is I don't have a dolphin, but see how he's causing all this ruckus? I'm gonna leave this guy in the rod holder.
right there.
They're by the boat. Keep him there, keep him there, keep him there, babe. Good job. Good job. All right, here, I got you. Here, I'll trade rod with you. Get another one, Miranda. All right, little guy. Let's let this guy go.
Oh.
Got it real fast at him. If you're real slow, they spit it back out. They regurgitate it. You're on again? All right, Miranda's a machine. Oh, that one's a nice one, Miranda. Keeper. Oh, no. Maybe. Maybe a keeper. Let me see. All right, we're into them thick, guys. This guy's small. I'm not gonna hurt him. I'm just cut.
Oh no! Oh, he fell in the water.
Oh, nice one, babe.
Hercules.
We're on the dolphins. They're everywhere. Triple, quadruple.
Oh, you're on.
Oh, I'm on.
That's mine, bro. It's a beauty.
That one's nice. Here, switch. Got you, babe. Whoa. This one. This is a keeper. Hang on. All right, we hit the gold jackpot, guys. Real. Yeah, she's on. Oh, I think he got off.
Yeah, I'm gonna say. I know.
Oh no, he's there. Yeah. Oh, she's on, partner. She got a seaweed. Oh, nice one. Yeah. Oh, big old barjack. Yeah, nice fish. Good job.
Nice.
Oh, they're all around us. Look, they're jumping all around
Where'd I
us.
put it?
Look, always through the nose. Right here. Through the side of his nose. Go cast.
Right behind me?
Yeah, cast it up.
How do you do this?
Perfect, perfect.
You said?
You got it real fast.
Put it in and real fast.
Hey, is this one on?
That's the one I hooked it on.
Oh, all right. All right, here. Go over me. Here, Miranda. Bring this one in.
Get online.
Oh, look, they're right there. Oh, all right, look at that jump. All right, we're going to leave this guy in the water right here because he'll bring the other ones. See if this one's on. Oh, you're on right here. Reel as fast as you can when I tell you. Ready? Reel, fast. Yeah, she's on. All right. I hope it's not a skipjack. Dolphin, another dolphin. All right, we got double headers. No, she's got a dolphin here. No, let those go. She's got to leave him right there. Leave him in the water. Bet you had one here.
No, I didn't.
20 to the fork.
Nose to the fork.
Okay, no, this guy's too small. Later, buddy. Get bigger. Let's let this guy go too. Another one. Yeah. All right. All right. Oh, he's a little guy. Let's let him go. All right, guy. Here you go, buddy. Oh, fly fishing. Later, bud. Yeah. No, you're small. I'm gonna get him off now.
Behind you.
Here. Here, Miranda. Oh, you're on, Miranda. Here.
Should I put him in anyways?
Actually, let it.
Take him out.
I will. All right, this one's too small. Let's let that guy go.
No, and wait, put a live bait on there.
Open that fish box, Juanito. All right.
No. Oh, is that my bait going that fast or?
I got a dead one, so. All right, what do we got? Oh, I'm on. Oh, this one feels good. Oh, it feels like a barjack. Oh no, dolphin, baby, let's go. All right, this one's long. This is gonna be a keeper. All right, just in case, guys, if he's not a keeper, go ahead and cut my line. That's a keeper. First keeper, babe. Let me see, Juanito. Yeah, open up his fork. No, you gotta open the fork up. Perfect, perfect. Keeper. All right, open up the ice box. Look at all the blood, guys.
Wait, that's my big one that fast?
Let me see. Yeah. Watch your feet, guys.
Shocking, weird.